Peace and life, family. I hope that you are well. So, a lot of you comment on my jewelry and my bracelets and rings and things. And as I've said, a lot of my jewelry and stuff comes from Africa. So, here in Harlem and Brooklyn, I live in New York City, so I get some things from Harlem, Brooklyn. But mostly when I travel, that's one of my things I love to do is collect various pieces of jewelry from different places. And then I also make most of my own jewelry. Almost everything you see with crystals, I made myself. Lock jewelry, I make myself. But yeah, one of my good friends, shout out to Sepia Kalidescope on Instagram at Sepia Kalidescope. I'll put her Instagram below. She started making jewelry. Since this quarantine started, a lot of people have like sparked, or I should say tapped into their artistic like prowls, and she is one of those people. She's always been an amazing grand artist, but she's been like mass producing amazing art. So of course I had to support her business, Sepia Kalidescope. She is one of my big sister queens and I love her so much. So I supported the business and she sent me a beautiful care package of some goodies, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. I have not opened the box yet, as you can see. I don't want to show my address, but I have not opened the box yet. As you can see, I'm going to open it on camera to see exactly what's in here, and then we can be surprised together. But please support her business, Sepia Kalidescope. And let's see how this looks. I'm really excited, you guys. She didn't tell me what she was putting in the box. She just kept telling me she was going to put some great stuff. Only thing I purchased 3 pairs of earrings from her, but I also sent a little extra. Just for the love. And because of that, she also blessed me with like some goodies. So I'm looking forward to see what she blessed me with. You guys, please support. Ooh, box of safety. Okay. Wow, that was real. Okay. So wow, it's a lot of stuff in here, you guys. It's a lot. So first, I have this box. Yes, I'm really excited. Let's see what's in here. Oh, these are the earrings. Okay, so this is one of the beautiful pairs of earrings that I purchased. This is an ode to our mamas. This is due to our mamas. Look at that. To the mothers who care for us and love us. So all of her jewelry is an ode to Black culture, African culture, various orishas, various ancestors, various prominent Black artists. She has like Mammy, she has Toni Morrison, she has Nina Simone, Malcolm X, and just various prominent figures. And one of the prominent figures we have is just the mama, the grandmamas who are sitting on the porch cooking food. She's working on a pair for wash women. So yes, that is the little pot that you see for our cooking mamas who feed us and care for us. Button that she put on there herself, and on the back of the earrings, it says "Ode to Mama." This is beautiful. So I'm gonna move this so you can see her card. She actually also created the cards herself. That is her. Yes, Imani. Her real name is Imani. It's my sister, y'all. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so we got one pair. That was in this box. Let's see. We have another box. Okay, so let's see. Yay! So we have the Mammy earrings. I really wanted the Mammy earrings, you guys. This is like one that I really wanted. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at the colors. Look at the back, and they're really heavy. They're very like good quality wood, smooth, polished. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Go, Money. I'm so proud of her. Oh my God. These are gorgeous. Yes. And this is like 3D. The Mammy is like 3D. I don't know if you guys can see. Look from the side. She has like 3D on there. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so this is pair number 2. I'm really excited. Okay. I'm gonna wait. She sent a card. I'm gonna wait for the card for last. I'm really excited about that. This is her business card, Imani Latifah. She also does film. She's a filmmaker, an amazing filmmaker. Oh, she sent me a little money pouch, a little change purse. I love this. So beautiful. Okay. Let's see what's in this one. So we also have, she put Mariah Queen Poe. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm also excited. Let's see. I'm going to have to cut this open. Okay, and here is the third pair of earrings, which is the Angela Davis pair. So beautiful. This is the Angela Davis pair. This is the ones that I really, really wanted. I really wanted these. Black Angela Davis. Yes, go Imani. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna put these here. So I have this. This is like a rolled something. I'm guessing that this is a poster. Because I told you she also makes posters, so I'm guessing this is a poster. And I love art. If y'all ever see my room, you ever seen any of my old videos where I'm in my bedroom, I have art all over my bedroom. All over my bedroom. Okay, so a lot of rubber bands. And it's rolled up. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, I already know this one. This is the Selassie poster. Emperor Lao Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is the Nina Simone. Oh, I wanted the Nina Simone poster so bad. This is the Nina Simone poster. And she created all of this herself, you guys. She takes the images, she colors them, she adds things to them, she does the work. All this whole design she does herself, you guys. So creative, so beautiful. I always love the smell of poster paper. I love the smell of paper in general. I'm a writer, so the smell of paper just does something for me. Okay, so I'm really excited about that. This is a jacket she was gifting me. She didn't make this, you guys, but she had a jacket and she asked what I wanted, and I thought it was so cute. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Look at the detail on that thing. Yes, this is so cute. I would, if this wasn't, if the pattern didn't go all the way over like this, I would definitely cut the sleeves off and make this into a bomb ass, dope ass, like vest for the summer. But I'm gonna find a creative way to do something to it. I may just like make it short sleeve like this and have the string just hang down my arm maybe. I don't know, I'll figure something out, but this is so cute. Okay, and oh, this is something heavy. I don't know what this could be. Dun dun dun. Something heavy. Oh, a candle. Saint Malcolm X, you guys. Oh my God. And it's on a red candle. Kabyamisale Shango. Yes. Kawa Shango. Yay. I'm so excited. Saint Malcolm X, a beautiful red candle, Shango man himself. Yes, 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 Saint Malcolm X. So she also does these candles, you guys, beautiful candles, beautiful. So that is almost everything. She also creates postcards. So we have candles, earrings, posters. She also creates postcards. You see this postcard and you can write messages on the back. Quality paper, quality, very quality paper. Look at this one. Yeah, yes. Beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? And all of these images she designs herself for the love of motherhood. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. My God. And then Jah Rastafari. Yeah. Okay, so we have postcards, we have posters. She did send a beautiful package. We have the pouch, her business card, Imani Latifah. This is her business card. Boom, boom. I hope you guys can see that. Is it focused in the camera? If not, I'm going to put her information below so you guys can see. We have the Angela Davis earrings. Yes, so excited about those. We also have the mammy earrings. I honestly think the mammies are my favorite. The coloring on here is just absolutely beautiful. I think the mammies may be my favorite. Beautiful mammy earrings. And then we have our other pair of earrings, which is the Odu to Mama. Heavy. These are very heavy and just beautiful. Great quality. Do you hear the wood? Look. Great quality. Great quality. Yes, Imani is so creative. No one else would be walking down the street with these. Come on, girl. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes. So last but not least, I'm going to read the card that she sent. Yes. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And she also made this card. Gorgeous. Beloved Sister Queen, thank you so much. The pink Nina Simone I will order and send when I receive it. Peace and love. Your sister Imani. I love her so much, Imani. Peace and love, Imani. So I also ordered a pink Nina Simone poster. So the black Nina Simone poster that you saw, this one. She has a pink one with a different image that she redesigned herself and everything. And that one is like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So she's going to send that. She ordered it and she's going to send that as soon as she can. But yes, you guys, so that is everything. Sepia Kalidescope at Origichi is her personal Instagram. Her business Instagram is Sepia Kalidescope. Please support, you guys. Black owned business, black woman owned business, small business. And she is just killing it, killing it, killing it. It's so worth the money. Everything is handmade. Everything is unique and one of a kind. Trust me. Shout out to my big sister queen, Imani, a.k.a. Origichi, a.k.a. Sepia Kalidescope. I love you, Sister Queen. Thank you so much, family, for supporting. Peace and love.